Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Vaillant with phone. Open the Vaillant app and enable Bluetooth on your phone to start pairing. Ensure your boiler is powered and in pairing mode by following its manual steps. Keep the phone close to the unit and accept any permission prompts the app shows. If pairing fails, restart both devices and try again, watching the app for a confirmation message before closing it. Use the Vaillant account to link devices through the cloud and enable remote control. Sign into the Vaillant app with your credentials and add your boiler using its serial number found on the unit. Connect to your home Wi-Fi network and ensure signal strength at the boiler is sufficient for reliable control. Test functions like temperature changes and schedules, and confirm the app reflects each adjustment within a few seconds to verify setup. Common issues include Bluetooth interference, outdated app versions, or incorrect Wi-Fi passwords. Update the Vaillant app to the latest release and reboot the boiler and phone if connections drop. Try moving a Wi-Fi extender closer to the boiler if signal quality is poor, and temporarily disable VPNs or firewalls on your phone during setup. For persistent errors, note error codes shown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.